You keep telling yourself this is the last time, the last relapse, the last distraction, the last moment you trade your future for a few seconds of pleasure. But then tomorrow comes, and you fall again. Not because you are broken, because your mind has been trained to chase comfort instead of control. And every time you give in, you lose something important. Your focus, your energy, your discipline. Lust does not destroy your life in one day. It destroys it slowly. It steals your attention. It weakens your confidence. It makes you feel tired when you should feel driven. And the scary part is this. You already know what you need to do. But you keep waiting for motivation. Motivation will not save you. Discipline will. For the next 21 days, stop negotiating with your weakness. The moment temptation appears, move. Stand up immediately. Leave the room. Do push-ups. Go for a walk. Train your body. Force your mind to understand that you are no longer controlled by urges. Because every urge you resist makes you stronger. Most people never learn this. Every time you choose discomfort over pleasure, you build self-respect. Every time you control yourself, you gain power over your mind. This is not only about lust, this is about becoming dangerous to your old habits. The first few days will feel hard. Your brain will fight back. It will beg for dopamine. It will tell you one relapse does not matter. Do not listen. Weak minds look for excuses. Strong minds follow standards. Create rules for yourself. No late-night scrolling. No wasting hours alone doing nothing. No feeding your mind with content that destroys your focus. Replace the habit. Read. Train. Work on your goals. Learn something difficult. Stay busy building a better version of yourself. Because lust grows in empty minds. And discipline grows through action. By day 7, you will feel more aware. By day 14, you will feel more confident. By day 21, you will realize something powerful. You were never trapped by lust. You were trapped by repetition. And repetition can be changed. A man with purpose moves differently. He protects his energy. He controls his impulses. He respects himself enough to say no. Right now, your future is being shaped by the habits you repeat in private. Nobody is coming to save you. No perfect moment is coming. Your transformation starts when you finally decide that your mind belongs to you again. So when this video ends, do not just feel motivated. Take control. Day 1 starts now.